and subscribe our channel.
Hello all my friends, welcome back to International Diecast Garage. We are so happy that you're here with us. Thank you for watching our channel. I hope you are all doing great. Why don't we get right into this together? Let's go. See a little eBay package here. This is something that I just recently discovered, or I should say rediscovered. Decided to go ahead and pick it up. You might enjoy seeing this with me. '20 Ram 1500 Rebel. Pretty sharp. So, a little story on this. The only difference between 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel and 2020 Ram 1500 anything else is really just options on the truck. We just recently purchased me a newer truck. It was a little bit overdue time for me to get an upgrade, and so I got a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited in black that looks very, very similar to this model. And so I think the hood is a little bit different. It's like vented on the Rebel. I think all of the Rebels models were 4x4. You know, they were a little more on the sporty side. Kind of had their own little package, if you will. And mine just has a solid hood. I know that's different. I do have the panoramic sunroof and everything, but yeah. So anyway, pretty neat little find. Had to pick those up. It's basically my truck is Hot Wheels. That's a pretty great testament of whether or not you're driving something cool. If Mattel, Hot Wheels, or Matchbox, or any diecast manufacturer for that matter, if they make your vehicle, you're driving something pretty cool. And we are definitely pretty tickled with our new purchase, and I'm glad that we were able to go ahead and upgrade. I think that since we got two, I mean, you know, about you guys, I tend to buy in twos. I did in this too. Take a quick look at this together. I'll try not to make this video too long. Like it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the turntable. Why not, right? Do that real quick together, and then I go ahead and include either at the beginning or the end of this video, go ahead and put a couple pictures of my actual truck on there. You guys can see. Pretty good looking truck, if I do say so myself. I've been sending my wife pictures of the new Tundra. I think that they look incredible. Of course, they're about 70 or 80 grand. That wasn't quite in the budget right now, which is fine. Been driving Silverado for many years. Loves my truck, but it was getting pretty high mileage and would have been a great one to keep, but it was going to need some pretty hefty repairs soon, and I didn't really want to sink any more money into it, and just needed something a little more modern with a little more safety features and air conditioning in the back seat for my little one, and something a little safer to get my family around in. So that is what we did. We are so thankful that you have tuned in with us. Hope you are enjoying the content. We are truly having a lot of fun making it. We're always looking forward to your likes, comments, and feedback. Please stay tuned for more diecast and car culture coverage. Hope you're blessed. Take care of yourself and your neighbors. Till the next one. Bye, my friends.
Like and comment and subscribe our channel.